Hey tribe, it's your girl Precious Stevens, aka the Draping Queen, and today we're going to talk about backdrop swagging and some great techniques and style that really make a statement. So whether you're designing something basic or elaborate, don't worry because I've got some amazing tips to really make your backdrop stand out. So sit back and relax and let's get into it. Roll the intro. Alright guys, now let's begin with the pleated swag. It's all about crisp, clean lines here. I want you to think of neatly folded fabric, creating a structured and really polished look, right? This is going to be perfect for your corporate events where sophistication is the name of the game. This is, though, the hardest swag for newbies to create because it really requires a lot of hand manipulation and skill. But trust me, once you learn the proper hand mechanics, guys, you're going to become a draping pro instantly. Next up, guys, there's the classic swag. Now, this is what you typically would see at your weddings or your upscale events. You want to picture soft folds of fabric, right? It's really sophisticated without doing too much. It's very elegant, but in a subtle way. So guys, what is your biggest issue when it comes to swags? I want you to drop a comment below so we can really get this conversation going. I love hearing about the issues that you guys are having with draping. Not to mention, it really helps me create the videos that's going to actually help you. Hey guys, just a quick break from our video to share something that's going to kickstart your draping journey. If you're new to the world of premium draping or you're thinking about diving in, then guess what? My beginner's guide is perfect for you. The beginner's guide lays out everything you need to know when getting started. We're talking about fabric types, essential equipment, step-by-step assembly instructions, and guess what? Even a list of trusted vendors. You name it, we got it. So don't miss out and click the link in the description to download your free copy. All right, now let's get back to the video. Now guys, we're gonna spice things up a little bit with the scallop swag. Now this one is all about the drama. Imagine deep swoops that kind of flows like a waterfall, you know? It's perfect when you wanna add a bit of drama and make your backdrop the center of attention. This is a part of our signature design and it's very recognizable. And lastly, there's the overlapping swag. This one's a bit more on the trendy side. What you do is you layer different fabrics over each other and it really creates an interesting look with a lot of depth. This is really perfect for events with a modern vibe, guys. It has been so popular here lately that many new designers are incorporating it into their designs. This is really kind of like the cheat code if you're working with a tight budget or on a schedule. Why? Because you can use some cheaper fabrics and it's pretty straightforward to put together. Alright guys, so now you know how to improve your backdrops and make them stand out. If you found any of these tips to be helpful, then show your girl some love by smashing that like button and subscribing to the best premium draping channel where we're always sharing helpful tips like this one. And if you're hungry for more event draping insights, then check out my online tutorials down below in the description. I've got everything you need to becoming a draping pro. And you guys know the drill. Stay fabulous, stay inspired, and keep draping like a pro. I'll see you guys in the next one. And subscribing to the best premium draping channel. Oh yeah, this is Zach talking. Okay, wait, what you do is, look here. Come on.
Damn, bro, you killed it, man. You killed it. That was great.